What you want to become when you grow up?
Paleontologist.
What?
Paleontologist.
The Horizon School believe that a better future lives there. Children can learn themselves. At Horizon, academic subject and extracurriculum activities complement each other to develop socially skilled and healthy students. Theories and concepts are well understood by performing scientific experiments on their own. They enjoy the scenic drive through the hill every day. At Horizon, we encourage children to think independently and develop their own dreams.
I'm a huge fan of Sachin Tendulkar and I want to be a cricket player. When I grow big, I want to become a famous singer. My dream is to be a police officer. When I grow up, I would build a school for poor children.
The Horizon, building dreams.